topic of discussion is carbon group. We discuss about the carbon book, what is the introduction point. So you should remember carbon is the periodic table we use in the carbon, that is atomic number 6. Okay, atomic number 6, there will be molecular weight 6 and group 4. It lies in between metal and non-metal. Other things you know about this, so just I read about carbon is the element of important constituent of organic substance, non-metallic element among the four basic, that is carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. The carbon is more important. It is found in the pure form, that is diamond and also lamp black, also used for the preparation of a pure form of a carbon. Graphite is the member of a carbon group taken as from the inner lining of iron retort. So carbon is used in the lubricant, plastic and a pen, pencil. From this point we always remember that carbon is lies in between metal and non-metal. So the carbon is the transition element. That's why all those symptoms of a carbon we discuss here are mainly lies in between the metal and non-metal. So pathogenesis, what is the spherical of action of a carbon is mainly affected. Action is on glandular affection, venous system and capillary system. So what it causes in the glands? It causes induration and swelling of the gland. Lastly causes cancerous stage. Okay, ग्लैंडुलर में वो अफेक्ट करके importantly carbon have the carbon means carbon group causes what causes this is causes induration and swelling. Induration means hardness of the gland. That's why what happened, there will be cancerous stage may be happened. And in the venous system we know venous our like varicose vein, varicositis, these are the clinical condition where carbon group act very well if mental symptom correspond. Then capillary, in capillary it causes the function, slow down the function. Okay, the sphere of action mainly carbon having main sphere, that is glands we discussed before. Venous system also abscess. Capillary system causes function. In the respiratory system, what it causes, infiltration and causing pneumonia, that is cyanosis. Why cyanosis occur? Due to the accumulation of a fluid causes pneumonia. Okay, in the GI what it causes, sorry, here I should write it. GI system, what the function here? GI system it causes the indigestion, indigestion, then eructation. Okay, indigestion, eructation, flatulence, all type of a sluggish activity causes by this GI system. Then in female mainly atonicity. In female mainly atony of the uterus resulting into PCOD. Uterus, when atony occur it causes PCOD, atony of a uterus. Okay, this is the mainly in the female system, GI system, respiratory, capillary, venous and gland sphere of action. Now the drugs include in carbon group, mainly Henneman discuss about the drug that are carboanimalise, then graphitis, carbovage and carboanimalise, graphitis. These drugs are importantly given by Dr. Henneman. Other drugs are carbosulfuric, oxalic acid and picric acid. Okay, so we discuss in generally what the carbon group general feature what. So mainly carbon group indicated the constitution mainly carbo-nitrogenous considered, because in the periodic table you know carbon after that nitrogen, that's why the constitution is carbo-nitrogen. What does it mean? Means the person who are vitality too weak to walk, they are sluggish, slow acting, robust person, stout with a fleshy body. Okay, general feature of a carbon what we should know, that is they are very sluggish, there will be slow, robust and a fleshy body. Carbon thermally, if we consider carbon is a chilly patient, mostly carbon group are considered as a chilly. There will be glandular affection, that's why scrofulous diathesis. They are irritable, melancholic temperament and mostly soric miasm it is included. So sora is the predominant miasm in carbon group. Now we discuss just recap. We discuss the introduction, the constitution, the groups, the drugs which are included in carbon group, what are the general features or constitution of the carbon, this shall we discuss. Now we go the pathophysiology. Why this is the page of what, this is the page of our JD Patil. So from this we discuss only pathophysiology part. So mind, as we discussed, that they are slow down the mind, mental apathy, patient is slow to think, lazy, okay, marked sluggishness is the marked feature, okay. This is mind. Lymphatic system, as we know, glandular, there will be induration, swelling of the gland which results in enlargement and infiltration of the glandular structure. Cardiovascular, as we discussed before, that is what I discussed before, I only remind from you from this book page, that what shall I discuss and what shall are given in book. So I only differentiated in between the notes and the books topic, so that you can remember easily. GI mainly causes membrane digestive system, as we discussed that constipation will be occur, flatulence, distension discussed before. Then in female, so all type of constipation why happen, due to the sluggishness of intestinal tract, that's why there will be constipation occur. In female, what it causes, due to the pathogenesis of uterus, there will be PCOD, there will be offensive discharge will be, and skin mainly causes exoceration and erythema from the rubbing or friction, okay. This is all about the pathology, how it works. Then mental symptom, fixed idea which we discussed before. Fixed idea means a person, carbon group are very dominating nature. Why they are dominating, why they are fixed, because of their changes on sudden changes in the mind. Means sometimes they say 6 is equal to 7, and sometimes they say 6 is equal to 5, and what they said, always admit with the, if you do not admit, then they become so much they are, that is the fixed idea, okay. Continuously changing their mind. Sluggishness, what is the sluggishness? Sluggishness means due to the carbon is a carbon we discussed before, there will be pathophysiology, there will be the patient is sluggish, marked sluggishness is present, that's why what happened, there will be patient cannot think, compression power is so slow, that's why they are stupid, lazy, sleepless, and dignity. As all carbon group, they having so much hardworking means they always try to, in the society they want to be, try to get a position by not by किसी का दान से वो नहीं चाहते, वो हार्ड वर्क करते और उसी हिसाब से लोग उनको उनका सेल्फ वर्थ, उनका वैल्यू समझे, इसलिए वो हार्ड वर्किंग है. देन दे आर अरिस्टोक्रेटिक मीन्स दे ऑलवेज बिलीव ऑन क्वालिटी, द मटेरियल, द एक्सीलेंसी ऑफ द पीपल, दे ऑलवेज मैटर, डू नॉट दे गो फॉर मेनी, they do not for quantity, they are always in qualitative. All food, all the things related to him are qualitative, should be maintained in a qualitative way. Then they are very spiritual, that is they find a authorities, father figure, means they are very commanding, they are very hardworking, that's why. Now the thing is that we discuss about the impulsive, sometimes they become violent, impulsive, these are the thing. Now physical symptom, they are indolent, we discussed before, extreme weakness because of the mind and body are so debilitated due to the loss of vital fluid, that's why there will be also any type of in this clinical condition they are very weak. Burning pain is found in the mainly skin after itching or rubbing, that fat get burned. Vital fluid, loss of vital fluid, that's why there will be trembling. Discharge is very offensive discharge, this term you should remember. In all carbon having offensive discharge. Skin is the loss of a skin, there will be mineral acid, as a carbon is a mineral, we know all the compound in all those things inside the living things are substance which are made up of carbon, that's why when there will be deficiency of a carbon, there will be losses occur, like hair loss, like sepsis. Tongue, there will be cracked occur. Taste is metallic sour taste because of the sora is predominant. Now desire, they are desire of acidic food, indigestible food, and abortion, sweet and false. General modality you should remember. Sora, there will be night aggravation, sometimes sora and syphilis is predominant, that's why night aggravation. Cold drink aggravation, okay. Evening, night, evening, these things you should remember about aggravation. Evening also all the complaint aggravated by motion, you should remember these two line you confused that motion or rest feels better. By rest he feels better, and by motion there will be also amylation, because there will be relief from the relief. That's why there will be motion gives relief, and rest motion and rest, both two things are all the complaint are ameliorated by both these two things. Okay, these things, motion and rest, ameliorating the complaint. Why? Because by motion they feel that the sluggishness, the things which are sluggish, there will be relief, will be complaint will be relieved. And by rest, what happened? By rest there will be filling up better feeling is found. That's why they wants to be rest. And by motions, although they are very tired, very sluggish, but by motion there will be complaint, sometimes relief occur. That's why motion is written as a amylation. So this is all about, we discuss about physical general modality. Okay, physical general mental symptom, and pathophysiology, and general feature, what are the constitution and diathesis, drugs included in carbon group, what the Hahnemann drugs included in each time of book, that is fragmenta, and what are the spear function, pathogenesis, and introduction. This is all about carbon group. So this is 20 mark if find in the university exam. Thank you. Have a nice day.